caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
It's because this experiment is great. Look, it's an egg in vinegar or jumping. Of course, it's jumps. Just though not from is so hard and you want to see how this is done. Keep watching the video and you only need 2 ingredients and material that we will see. Was mainly an egg, can be pink or white. This will be your choice and the same. Seeds can also be aquatic. A glass hard or a glass and with vinegar. We will place the vinegar in the heart with the egg for 48 hours or 1 day. We will start placing the egg very carefully. Now we will place vinegar until the egg is completely covered. We are going to finish pouring the vinegar in the egg cover it and leaving it where the sun does not hit it for a day or 14 hours and wait for it pass. Another thing that I recommend a lot is that your egg and the hard or glass you choose a larger one because when I took the egg it doubles its size, so if you use the quality there is not much problem, and if you use a larger normal you need a larger glass and do not shake it as much as the sheet can break with leaving it for 14 hours or 1 day. We can observe that at the same moment we put the egg using bubbles around the egg. With time the egg is moving. I will be the same.
2000 años más tarde.
It beam or results. We open it and we take out as the vinegar. If you feel disgusted in this step, you can use a latex glove or a disposable glove since the vinegar has a peculiar smell. We will also use a disposable tray to place the vinegar. We will take out the vinegar and there comes our egg without breaking the egg, and very careful we paste it, and that would be our final result. As you can see, this bones does not from it so hard because the insect is still raw and this is sleek layer that is going to be removed. Add this coffee that is seemed her eating vinegar is the cascade of our egg. Since the egg has no skin, only has a screen that is removed. If you like it can be removed with water. So that our egg we can use it is a level, not a door to vinegar. Okay, and this has been our result. Remember that outside that in one day the egg is left with I realized that it is necessary to leaving it to die. I have already washed it dry and it has not lost its effect now because this has happened when the egg is submerged in the vinegar. First, the skin of the should be chemical reaction that is the broth we saw. In the vinegar, we increase its volume. B. Letting the water of the vinegar pass or the egg is inflamed with vinegar, so we should not explode it and the acid of the vinegar. This natural part of the glass creating thick and rubbery layer. That is what makes it jumps or jumps. The egg we have to be very careful because the egg inside, as you can see, is still round. There looks something very orange, that is the yolk. So know what you work so hard, or a very high heat. Another very important thing should be with vinegar. Not a plate, all other must be with vinegar and 14 hours exact nature more no less too. What happens if we place the egg on a flashlight? How can you hit both like will slim and at the same time you can see the yolk. Egg break, egg break, egg break, which leaving the egg membrane. Because this happened, egg had mainly composite of calcium carbonate react with the carbon and forms vinegar deposit carbon. See or